So I heard Oprah Winfrey says, I come as one, but appear as 10,000. Then today I realized that those words are coming from Maya Angelou, from her poem. I come as one, but appear as 10,000. Guys, you are never alone. We are never alone. For as long as you live under the sun, you are never alone. Then I heard some other ladies said, is the Holy Spirit within me? The Holy Spirit reprimanded me. The Holy Spirit made me to remember where I have put this and that. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Whether it's a Holy Spirit, whether it's I come as one, but appear as 10,000, whatever that you call it, whatever that we call it, but no one on this planet Earth is alone. We are not the only beings here on this planet Earth. Just because we don't see other beings, it doesn't mean we are the only beings. We are not. You are never alone. On your right hand side, on your left hand side, there are angels, Holy Spirit. I come as one, I appear as 10,000. When you are who are watching this video, please listen to that small voice that doesn't make noise. There's this small voice that will say, don't drink that juice. There's this small voice that will say, don't go that road. And if you ignore, then you're gonna meet a danger in front of you, ahead of you. Then I know some people come back and said, and I had this feeling. Even today, this other lady said to me, Grace, I had this feeling. I had this feeling that my man was cheating. Today as in like today, she said, I had this feeling that my man was cheating. I suspected. My feelings were like, no, my feelings were like off. Each and every person has that. There are guardian angels. There are people who are warning you. There are people who are with you. Always try to listen. Don't ignore. Try to listen. Each and everyone, it doesn't matter what job are you doing. It doesn't matter how much money you have. It doesn't matter. But each and every person has that thing. We call it intuition. Listen to it. Don't ignore it. I know I and myself, I've ignored it many times. Several times I've ignored it. After I've ignored it, I will be like, and I had this feeling that this is like this, not like this. But because it's a voice that is so small and it speaks only once and it passes, it's up to you if you listen or you not. Let me tell you, if you listen, if you keep on listening and responding, it's more you will get the revelations. It's more and more that you activate your inner man. More